Let's break down something every truck driver needs to know. The all-important pre-trip inspection tool. Whether you're a seasoned highway navigator or just starting, understanding the ins and outs of your pre-trip is crucial. Trust me, it can make or break your day on the road. So why is a pre-trip inspection tool such a big deal? Well, it's like a trusty Swiss Army knife, but for your truck. This tool helps you ensure everything on your rig is in tip-top shape before you hit the road. It's all about catching potential issues before they become roadside emergencies. No one wants to find themselves on the shoulder calling for help, right? Now, we know that there's a lot to check. Tires, brakes, lights, and so much more. It can feel like a lot, but breaking it into easy steps makes it manageable. Think of it like a routine you get into before taking a long trip. You wouldn't start a road trip without checking the gas, right? It's the same idea, but with a few more boxes to tick. Many drivers swear by having a physical checklist. It keeps you from missing any crucial steps. And remember, consistency is key. Doing this daily becomes as automatic as your morning coffee. Plus, it shows professionalism. A big plus if you're working for a company or even running your own show. Let's talk about the consequences of skipping this. Sure, it might feel like a time saver to rush through or skip it altogether when you're in a hurry, but trust me, a thorough inspection saves you time, headaches, and money in the long run. Imagine getting pulled over and receiving a hefty fine for something you could have easily caught. Not fun at all. And while we're on the topic, I can't stress enough the importance of knowing the regulations. The FMCSA has guidelines you've got to follow, but I know government stuff can be overwhelming. That's where Moving Authority comes in. We're here to make sure you're all set up and compliant without having to wade through pages of confusing legalese. Visit movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. I've heard my fair share of stories where a simple pre-trip inspection saved drivers big time. A buddy of mine once found a nail in his tire just minutes before heading out. Imagine if he hadn't checked. He'd be dealing with a flat who knows where instead of safely reaching his destination. So believe me, these inspections aren't just some red tape. And hey, if you've got your own pre-trip stories or tips, drop them in the comments. We're all here to help each other out and learn together. So, before your next journey, grab your pre-trip inspection tool, run through your checklist, and roll out with peace of mind. Safe travels, and see you on the road.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.